So right now I am in Switzerland, finally, after many years of travel. And in this video I'm going to show you my first day in Lauterbrunnen and Interlaken. So we are at Spies right now. And we have 2 more train stops till we get to where we're trying to go. So we're in Interlaken Ost. Finally we found a train where we have seats. Alright, after a full day of journey, we finally arrived in Lauterbrunnen. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. And we got this guest house here, which is this like really nice little pretty room. The scene when you come into the city is just insane. You can come in and you can see the ice cap or the snow capped mountains all around you, and then you can see all these waterfalls. Lauterbrunnen is actually known as the Valley of 72 Waterfalls because there are like 72 different waterfalls in here. Right now I'm gonna go and try to see the biggest one. Right behind me there is the town church. I don't think this has like a crazy history or something. It's just a really pretty church in a really pretty valley. And there's so many like pretty little houses on like pretty grass fields and plains and like hills out in the middle of nowhere here. The cool thing about Switzerland so far is this is exactly how I imagined it would look like from like YouTube, from pictures I've watched my whole life. Like the moment we took the train and it crossed over to Switzerland, my sister just told me like, yep, this looks like Switzerland. This is what I expected. Oh, the bell's going off. So it's starting to rain a little bit. I need to go to an ATM real quick and hopefully it clears out after that so I can get some better views of the waterfall. Behind me right there is Staubbach Falls, the really high waterfall. It's like 300 meters high. So it's raining a little bit, but I paid way too much for accommodation to stay in, so I'm going up. Seems like there's a little bit of a hike to get up to the best viewpoint. Looks like I have to go through a tunnel to see the waterfall. There's a lot of water coming here from the waterfall. Looks like literally like it's raining very heavy. So it's very hard to tell from this angle, but I'm literally behind the longest waterfall. You can climb all the way to the top and you're right behind it. And on the way up, you get really wet, like an umbrella. I brought one. It's not enough. You need like a raincoat. But once you're behind this place, it's like a really nice view and it's like pretty dry over here. This is such a sick view. You can see the whole valley and you can see the waterfall fall right in front of you. It's pretty insane. Alright, so I'm done exploring the town for the day and we're here right now to get some cappuccino, which is only like $5, which is not bad at all compared to like what I was told Switzerland would be like. Well, the burgers here are like $25, so that's like a bit iffy, but $5 is not bad. You can pay $5 for a fancy coffee at a Starbucks, so I think this is pretty good. And time to try out the 5-franc coffee. This is really nice. Darum. Okay, so today I'm not in Lauterbrunnen anymore. I'm in Interlaken, which is this like small town between two massive lakes in this region. There's actually this really cool river with the turquoise water next to the train station that connects both of those lakes. So we were planning on doing some pretty cool stuff today, but it just started raining. So I don't know if it's gonna happen anymore. Let's see. Just found this hostel nearby and taking a small ice cream break while the rain slows down. 3 francs for like an ice cream is not bad. So finally it stopped raining, but it's still kind of cloudy. So we're gonna take this very expensive cable car or like funicular to the top of a mountain where we hope to see this magnificent sunset. But it's kind of cloudy right now. I don't even know if we're gonna see the sun. Should be a good view. I just hope it doesn't rain again. Okay, we're in the cable car right now that is taking us all the way to the viewpoint. It's a very interesting funicular. Sorry, it's not a cable car, it's like a train. This is 60 degrees incline, which is more than what most funiculars do. So it's gonna take us, I think, like 700 meters or like 2,500 feet up in the sky. So we just came to the top. The view is great, but it's drizzling again a little bit. So we're taking our umbrellas out. So there's a small path leading to the viewpoint up ahead. I think it's like a 5-minute walk. This is really cool because you can now see both massive lakes and the town of Interlaken between the two lakes. The best thing about this viewpoint we're going to is that you can usually see all the big mountains, Jungfrau, Munch, Eiger, but now it's so cloudy you can't really see much here. So this is where people usually eat outside, when it's not raining of course. A photo shoot, but it's windy and raining as you can't tell, so no one else is here. So we found 2 cows on the peak. If you do come to the restaurant, they have like these traditional Swiss musicians playing some traditional Swiss music, which is very interesting to watch. We were in there for like a very overpriced pizza so we could have a place to sit while it was raining outside. So I don't think the clouds are gonna part, and the biggest mountains are still kind of covered in the clouds. If you have to come here, I'd recommend like coming here on a clear day so you can see all the mountains in the background. But this is still an insane view. I can see a lot of other mountains that are like near here, not as high as the Jungfrau maybe, but it's sick. It's what, 8:30 p.m. so I think this is gonna be my last sunset, however much of the sun I can see in the Switzerland, because tomorrow we're going to Germany and I have to fix my laptop or buy a new laptop because it's not working at all, which is bad for me because I work while I travel and edit, so I can't edit right now. So these videos won't be out for a while, probably for like a month or more than a month, but I'll try to put it up as fast as I can. But that is gonna be it from this video. If you like it, don't forget to like it. If you want to watch more, feel free to subscribe or follow my Facebook page. And if you want real-time travel updates, feel free to follow me on Instagram at Nadir on the go. I'll catch you guys in the next video from I have no idea where. Oh, I do know, I do. The next video is gonna be from this really cool thing we did yesterday where we went up to one of those mountains that's covered by the cloud and the fog right now. and I hiked across this glacier to almost go to this other mountain. Saw a lot of really cool stuff. It's the top point of Europe, or not the highest peak, but like the top train station. It's pretty sick. I just decided to make that a different video because there's so much going on there. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next video from that, and after that I don't know where.